3, which is our last example, we got to factor 30x to the fourth, y to the third, plus 18x to the sixth, y squared, plus 42x squared, y to the third power. Now, when we factor that, remember we start with the coefficients, which is the number out front of each variable, and then we do the actual variables themselves. So when we do that, the numbers that we got to find the GCF for first are 30, 18, and 42. So if we do 30, is in common for all three for GCF is 6. That's the biggest number that they both share in common. So now since we know that, we can start our GCF with 6. Now we look at the problem. The problem has two variables in it. It has an x and a y. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my x and my y down beside my GCF. Now once I do that, look at my x's to see which one has the smallest exponent. The smallest exponent for x is 2. So I'm gonna put a 2 with the x. And then I look at my y's. The smallest exponent is also 2. So my GCF will be 6x squared y2. Now I'm going to take that GCF and divide everything by that. Okay, so the first one will be 30x to the fourth y3 divided by 6x squared y squared. That one will give me 30 divided by 6, which is 5. 4 or x to the fourth minus x to the second will give me x squared again. 3 minus 2 give me y. Now I do the next one, which is 18. X to the 6, y2 divided by 6x squared, y2. 18 divided by 6 is 3. 6 minus 2 is 4, so it'll be x to the fourth. 2 minus 2 means the y go away because that's 0. Now I do my next one, which is the 42. X squared, y to the third divided by 6x squared, y2. 42 divided by 6 was 7. X squared and divided by x squared, basically the x's go away because when you subtract, they cancel each other out. Now 3 minus 2 will give me y. So that's what's left there. That's a remainder. Now I can take my GCF and put it out front. And this will be my answer.